My name is Dennis. I have only been in Colorado for just a short time. I used to do a lot of mechanic work on my own vehicles myself, but I can't do it where I live now. I met a guy who gave me the name of a auto service area, and it was B's Auto. And I came to B's Auto when I had problems with my vehicle, and they treated me so well, did things for me right off the bat as soon as I got here, and sent me on my way, told me if I had any other problems, just come on back. And I've been back, and I trust them. They've done good work for me at very reasonable prices, and I recommend them to anyone if they have any kind of problems with their automobile.